Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef ularthiyathu. This flavorful dish begins with careful preparation. First, clean and cut about 2.5 pounds of beef into bite-sized 1.5-inch cubes. Next, marinate the beef thoroughly with a blend of ginger, garlic, chili, coriander, and turmeric powders. Don't forget to add salt, pepper, and a tablespoon of meat masala. For the best flavor, let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, or even overnight. Once your beef is beautifully marinated, it's time to tenderize it. Carefully transfer the marinated beef into a pressure cooker. You'll want to add about 1.5 cups of water. The beef will also release its own juices. Pressure cook on high until you hear 2 whistles, then reduce the flame and simmer for about 12 minutes. Remember to let the pressure release naturally before opening the cooker to ensure perfectly tender beef. Now let's create the aromatic masala base that defines this dish. In a wide pan, heat about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then, sauté thinly sliced shallots, a few slit green chilies, and a sprig of fresh curry leaves until they turn a lovely golden brown. Finally, stir in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste along with your chili, coriander, and turmeric powders, cooking until fragrant. For the grand finale, combine your tender beef with the aromatic masala. Add the pressure-cooked beef, along with any remaining juices, to the pan. Stir in about 1/2 cup of pre-fried coconut slices for that essential crunch. Continue to roast on medium-low heat, stirring frequently, for 15 to 20 minutes until the beef turns a rich, dark brown and is wonderfully dry. Serve this exquisite beef ularthiyathu hot and enjoy every flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.